In this video, we'll show you how to change the color and layout of the site header on AuctionWorx. These customizations help your site better reflect your brand and create a more engaging user experience. Let's get started. Go to the Admin Control panel. Open the Display page under Site Preferences. Click on Heading Color and choose your preferred color to change the background color of the header, or enter a specific color code. Next, let's change the text color to ensure it's visible against a darker background. Select Dark Text for light backgrounds or Light Text for dark backgrounds. Now let's update the layout of the header. Select Original to show sub-navigation links that we have already used, or select Single Row Menu to hide them. You can also adjust the logo's position by setting the site header style to Original. Then, disable the Center Logo Position option to align the logo to the left or enable it to center the logo. We can also change the logo to better complement the new design. You can watch our other video for a step-by-step guide on changing the logo. This is how you can change the layout and color of the site header on AuctionWorx. Thank you for watching.